Unfortunately, I haven't really got much room where I am here. New addition to the Defender, a winch, which is unfortunately the camera's reared too close. So yeah, got myself a nice winch. What I plan to do, I'll take the winch off, clean up the bumper itself, paint it, and I'll be doing the same with the chassis legs while I can actually get to them. But absolutely stoked. Got the moats for it, as you can see. Drop it and make it nice and loud. But I more than likely think I'll be putting the bumper on, then actually putting the winch on at a later date. Because really, I think I'll be lucky to even get half the usage out of that rope, personally. But I can re-rope it's not a problem. But the excitement, it can barely be contained. Winch in the guide of the bumper. Some place backs is a bit grotty, yuck. So that's off. Give this a little prep, get it off to a good clean up, and then paint it. So when we come back, I'll either be in the middle of the prep or just actually painting it, because in this heat I think I want to get on with it quick because it'll dry really quickly. What I thought I'd do, excuse all the crap and the junk, but I thought I'd plug this in see if I can get it working, because it wasn't really working when I first tried it. But oh yeah, turn it on. Hey. Obviously not going to do it holding it, but as you can see, it works. It's absolutely brilliant news. So all I've got to do is tidy up, paint the bumper, and pretty much slap it on. Yes, I've got a cover for that, so don't worry. Well, it's been scratched out, cleaned up, ready to be painted. Not the prettiest, but I needed it to be cleanable. Yeah, that's not a word, but it is today. Just get on with it. Once again, my camera keeps zooming in. Slowly getting there. Yeah, it's not really meant to be perfect, but just so it's practical. And for my reference, that's what I'm using. It's sort of like a faint, almost like a copper slippy effect. Starts to look better. Done the inside. Looking quite pretty. Give the outside another lick and that'll be done. Then on to removing the original bumper and reinstalling this bad boy. Got bit by something. Well, I'll be taking this bumper off, because obviously you can see where it's been a bit parted up in the corner. Once I take the bumper off, I'm going to clean up the chassis rails. It's about to get to the bumper off, clean them up, tighten them up, and a bit of paint on them, then install the winch bumper. Then at a later date put the winch in. Shame about this bumper, it's bloody brand new. Bumper is off. With these, I have these little clip things where the bolts and the contact are actually called. I'm sure you grab them out. Give the frame a good clean up. You've still got the original paint on it actually. Do that, get it painted, new bumper on, job done. Not super pretty, but slowly getting there, to try and get all the mud and crap out of there. It's just about to see. I don't have a compressed air, so I've got to sort of do it with these. But slowly getting there. It take me a little while, but get there in the end. That's them painted. I know, not the best, but at the end of the day I'm just after practicality, just so that you know it's protected. But I have to do this sort of chassis in stages, but I just need to sort of get it prepped so I can put the bumper on because it's sort of in the way. Of also these little clips, they go on like so. Very good actually. Bumpers going on. How I've done it was when I put the bolts through, I pushed it as far as I could with one hand twisting the bolt while rocking the bumper backwards and forwards. Once you get one in, it makes it easier because you don't want to push the little clip out. And these are 17mm. And I nearly forgot to actually record, but this is the final finished product of the bumper. It has unfortunately rained on the way over here, which is a shame, but it actually is. If I quickly clean that. I think personally it's come out really quite nice. And unfortunately the camera don't do it justice. But hopefully soon I'll be able to get the winch in there. I've got to do a few bits before I put the winch in. I want to make sure it's got a isolator and fuse, security bolts, and then that's it. So it might be it for this video. So it might be, yeah, more likely will be it for this video because I've got other bits to do. So yeah, enjoy. What? Oh, I didn't put the steering guard on because it won't fit. It's off a Range Rover Classic, just Discovery one, which unfortunately won't go on here. But on to the next video.